Meet the UOG Eyelash Adhesive, your new secret for flawless, long-lasting lashes. Perfectly crafted for sensitive eyes, this formula is allergy-free and free from harsh chemicals, so you can say goodbye to redness and irritation. Whether applying directly to the lashes themselves or applying to your lash line, you can choose the application technique that works best for you. Experience a strong, flexible hold that works with all types of lashes, whether you're using strips, clusters, or individual lashes. This adhesive keeps your look flawless for up to 5 days, ensuring you stay confident and beautiful. It dries rapidly to a smudge-proof finish, so your lashes stay put and perfect. No smudging, just pure, elegant hold. It's waterproof and odor-free, so this adhesive can handle any condition without unpleasant smells, making it perfect for any situation. And when finished, you can easily remove your lashes. Are you ready for an unbeatable hold and perfect look? Try the UOG Eyelash Adhesive for yourself.